Welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and in this video lecture I'll go ahead and show you how to display an error in attempt to open non-existent file. Alright, so let's go ahead and say we have a file right here, and the name of the file is python.txt, and let's go ahead and show the file, and it contains something. Welcome to Python programming language. Go ahead and close that, and let's say the part of this file is, go ahead and copy the part, and afterwards you go ahead and append python.txt. Now let's go ahead and write a simple code that will help us to open this file, and if the file name is not correct, it will go ahead and display error message for you. Go ahead and say fp is equal to, let's say, input. We're going to tell the user input to impute the file name. Alright, so go ahead and say enter file path. Alright, so we can be able to check out the path of the file. And now let's go ahead and use a try except method to check that out. So now let's say file equal to open, and it's going to open fp. Alright, now we go ahead and use except file not found error. Alright, file not found error. Then we go ahead and print out. Go ahead and print out error. This file path does not exist. So this file path does not exist. Alright, else go ahead and print out the content of the file. So that is file dot read. Okay, now let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. So enter. Wow, that is enter. Remove this b and run this code again. Enter file path, and let's say hello and hit enter. Error, this file path does not exist. Now let's run this code again and check it out. Enter file path, press this path you've copied, and change this to / so you can be able to read the file. As I usually tell you, once you copy this file, there will be backward slash. All you need to do is to change them to / and come at the end and append / python.txt and hit enter. Welcome to Python programming. So it was able to read the content of the file, and the content of the file is welcome to Python programming. Let's check it out. Welcome to Python programming, hello world. So go ahead and save that. Click on that and save, and close this file, and minimize this. Let's go ahead and copy this file path. Okay, copy this file path right now. Copy that, so you can now run this code again and check it out. So go ahead and paste the file path, and let's run this code again one more time, and enter, and welcome to Python programming, hello world. Can you see that? It was able to read the entire stuff. Now if you go ahead and remove python.txt, and let's run this code again, and paste this, remove python.txt and hit enter. It was not able to read the file because you didn't get the true file path. Okay, let's go ahead and paste that again, python.doc and hit enter. Error, this file path does not exist. Can you see that? It does not exist. So this is the way you can be able to track errors while opening files in Python programming. I hope that is very easy and straightforward. Okay, go ahead and put it down on your own system, play around with it, check it out, and in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.